In this video, I'm going to show you what I put in my crock pot. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm cooking this year, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, I'm Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below. A bell will appear. Click that bell twice so you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now today I am hosting an open invitation challenge, and the title of this challenge is the One Pot Meal Challenge of 2020. And my co-host this year is a wonderful YouTuber, my sister, the one who gave me some wonderful advice when I first started out on my channel. And that is Wani from Wani's House. Now, if you're not familiar with Wani, I will put a link to her channel down in the description. So now let's get into these rules. Okay, the title, as I said, is the One Pot Meal Challenge of 2020. The upload date will be February 6th of 2020. And the time for upload will be 8 a.m. Central. Now let's give you the rules. Now I'm asking you to prepare a meal or an appetizer in a crock pot, a rice cooker, pressure cooker, Instapot, one of those. Number 2, you must include the recipe in the video description box of whatever you're preparing. Number 3, you must have the hashtag One Pot Cooking Meal 2020 in your description and in your title. Number 4, you must mention both of the host's channels in your video. You must also be a subscriber to both of the host's channel. You must include a link of the hosts and the playlist in your description box. And as always, let's have fun. I'm really excited to see the new recipes that come up this year, because last year I did try a couple of those and my husband did enjoy a few of them. So I'm really excited to see how many of you join in and what's on the menu. If you haven't gone already to check out creativelymissme.com, check out my blog, where I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and for content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest updates. If you like my video, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my videos. And never stop exploring. Continue to the end. There's always something new on that last screen. And as always, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you be blessed.